Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network. Flare, a game changer. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe. And for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet. So, guys, do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of Flare and Songbird at the time of the recording, and let's see what they have been up to. Let's look at Songbird first, guys. So this is the yearly chart of Songbird. And no price movement, not much volatility, guys, when it comes to the yearly. In the last video as well, it was almost the same level, testing the support levels in the yearly. If we look at the all-time chart as well, it is an undervalued. So you can check out that Songbird is down 97.03%. 97.03. In the last month, it is down 15.19%. In the last day, 1.04%. So not much price change. So yeah, this is good, guys. This is good news, because when the price becomes a bit stable and it basically follows a certain pattern in terms of sideways actions, then the price goes up or it goes down. So obviously, with impulse. So in my opinion, it is already correcting, testing the support level. So in my opinion, it will go up, but obviously not financial advice. But I really think that, yeah, uh, Songbird and Flare as well. They both are undervalued. Flare is testing these support levels as well. The 2 cent remains a crucial support level over here. A lot of buying pressure will come over here, guys. If it does not, if this support does not remain intact, then I think that we might go and test the 0.015 support level, 0.014 maybe, guys, because I really am optimistic that these support levels will sustain. So, guys, why would they sustain? Why is Flare a game changer? Let me share with you this post over here. This is from the official Flare network. X handle has reposted this post, so I'm going to be sharing this thread with you. This is from Sheriff DeFi, by the way. One more post over here, guys. Check this out. SIP.03 notice period is ending soon. It opens up Songbird validation to allow anyone to become a validator and bring the Songbird code up to speed with flares. So, cool post to wrap your SGB to vote, guys. You have to wrap your SGB to vote for it. Anyways, guys, this is the voting period. So let us now look into this thread. Sheriff DeFi ever wished for seamless, reliable access to decentralized data for your blockchain dApps? Meet Flare, a revolutionary layer 1 blockchain that combines Ethereum virtual machine, but basically it is EVM compatible if you do not know already, with robust data certainty. Guys, you know that Flare has an Oracle infrastructure which is reliable, accurate, guys, efficient. So yeah, check this out. Here's why Flare is a game changer. So let us look into this. A really cool post. I mean, what kind of pose this is? I mean, a cowboy and a T-Rex. I haven't seen something like this only in on Flare, guys. Only on Flare. I mean, interesting graphic over here. Anyways, Flare standouts as a universal layer 1 blockchain tailored for data intensive applications. It joins the power of EVM with decentralized data from its unique oracles, the Flare time series oracle, guys. This is the Oracle infrastructure FTSO and the state connector. So check this out, guys. Exchanges, price pair data retrieval, data providers, price pair data supply, output price pairs. This is the user, this is the end user, this Flare network, Flare time series oracle, output price pairs, output price pairs. So yeah, cool. Number three, these oracles are unique. Why are they unique? Because they're protected by the same validators, ensuring the network's security. So the validators that are ensuring the network security, they are reliable. Those validators are reliable, and they are these oracles are protected by the same people, guys, that are basically ensuring the network security. So you trust them, you have to trust them, you have to trust their data. If they don't provide accurate and timely data, they don't get rewards for either validation or data provision. So basically, they will be punished. A really great infrastructure and really great network. If you do not punish those that lag behind, then obviously, guys, the data becomes compromised. The network becomes is bound to be compromised, guys. So this is great. This setup guarantees that the data you need is accurate, up-to-date, and free from manipulation. So basically, the FTSO is all you need to know that your data is accurate, up-to-date, and obviously free from any manipulation, because these validators have a lot at stake. Pretty cool, huh? So yeah, it is indeed cool. What else? Number five, for you, the developer, this translates to data certainty. You can build your dApps with the confidence that all the data you need will be reliably available. So those that are developers, obviously, guys, they rely on data. They rely on the certainty of the data, the accuracy of the data. So Flare Network provides them this, gives them this confidence that all the data that they need will be reliably available without any hassles, blockades. So awesome. Say goodbye to worries about data censorship or tampering, literally. Plus, it is free to query on Flare. Number six, the FTSO delivers decentralized price feeds and other data to dApps on Flare, eliminating reliance on centralized providers. Guys, you know that the blockchain and this industry going forward, we all trust decentralization, if, whether we like it or not. Obviously, some sort of centralization when it comes to institutional adoption, when it comes to providing them use case or real world utility, providing them a hybrid infrastructure. In that aspect, we might consider centralization, guys. But when it comes to price feeds and the network, obviously, guys, people and most of the people, they want that system to be decentralized, and the FTSO delivers in this regards. The FTSO delivers decentralized price feeds and other data to dApps on Flare, eliminating reliance on centralized providers. Currently, it offers 50 data feeds but can handle up to 1,000, guys, with updates every 1 to 2 seconds. Awesome. It is updated. It is always up to date. Great. Number seven, what is the state connector, guys? The state connector enables secure, trustless. By the way, if you do not know, trustless means that no third party is involved, guys. For those of you who are new to blockchain or crypto, trustless use of information from other blockchains and the internet on Flare. It can verify events such as transactions on different blockchains or real world events captured in Web2 databases. So basically, bridging the gap between Web2 and Web3. It brings the data from Web2 accurately, guys, basically. This is awesome. Check this out. Data reply, data request, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, attestation providers, attestation supply, attestation request. This is the data connector, Flare network, request, reply. So this is the data connector. Awesome. Now let's talk about FSS. So talking about game changer, why Flare is a game changer. It doesn't get any bigger than F assets. If you do not know, guys, F assets is a concept in which the projects that do not have smart contracts intrinsically, guys, Flare provides it with smart contracts. So this is awesome, guys. Look at the projects that are involved over here. So look at this. This system allows non-smart contract tokens like BTC, Doge, and XRP to join the DeFi party on Flare. These assets can earn yields or be used in lending and borrowing protocols. Guys, you already know the market caps of all these three projects and their long-term potential as well. You know the price targets for BTC well, and you cannot ever count Doge out, although I personally do not like these memes, to be very honest, because guys, we need some mature projects so that the outside world trusts crypto more. These dog faces and these bunnies and new coins, Fox. There are a lot of coins, guys. You know that Fox, the Fox one, Flare Fox, yeah, Flare has its meme as well. So I mean, yeah, it is trendy. Networks, these memes are built on networks, and it garners a lot of money as well, funds as well. Attracts a lot of funds as well, a lot of investors as well. But I really do not like it. But anyways, Dodge has a huge market cap as well, and we all already know about XRP and the insane levels of price targets and potential that people associate with it. It is one of the most controversial coins out there due to the gossips. You know that already, and providing it a project like XRP with smart contracts, guys, and basically giving in, basically bringing it into the DeFi party on Flare is indeed a game changer, guys. At least this is my opinion. What makes F assets even better? They are trustless and permissionless, meaning no KYC checks and no risk of losing your assets to a centralized provider. Over collateralization ensures your protection even if an agent misbehaves. So check this out: F assets, user account, transfer, agent account, agent collateral, verifies, data connector, requests verifications. This is F assets, agent collateral, user requests minting, and this is Flare mints user account, non-smart contract network. Flare also offers significant participation rewards. You know that it has passive income opportunity as well. You can earn up to 35% APR through various token incentives. The Flare drops, a series of 36 monthly drops, reward WFLR holders or FLR stakers. More WFLR means larger rewards, so passive income opportunity as well. You can also benefit from delegation rewards by delegating FLR to FTSO data providers, or staking rewards by staking FLR to validators. So this enhances the earning potential significantly. Flare's innovative approach to decentralized data access and real-world asset support makes it an ideal platform for building cutting-edge dApps. Great dApps can be built on top of it. Indeed, this is awesome. Come and join the beginning of the future. Dive into Flare, leverage its powerful oracles, and be part of this groundbreaking ecosystem. Do your own research, non financial advice, obviously. But guys, in my opinion, Flare is indeed a game changer. I truly believe it. I personally believe it. What is your opinions, guys? Do you think that Flare is Flare a game changer or not? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know, guys. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.